In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot Pro for Excel data analysis. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive in. Microsoft Copilot Pro is an innovative tool that helps streamline your data analysis tasks in Excel. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, this powerful assistant can make your data-driven decision-making a whole lot easier. So, let's take a look at the features and functionalities that can elevate your Excel game. First things first, you'll want to make sure you have access to Microsoft 365, as Copilot is integrated within various Office applications, including Excel. Once you've confirmed your access, open Excel and navigate to a worksheet where you'd like to perform your analysis. You'll notice that there's now a Copilot icon available on your toolbar. Go ahead and click on that. When you open Microsoft Copilot for the first time, you'll be greeted with a friendly interface inviting you to start your queries. So, what can you ask? Imagine you have a large dataset, maybe sales numbers for the past year, and you're interested in uncovering trends. You can simply type a request like, "Show me the trends in sales over the past 12 months," and hit Enter. Instantly, Copilot will analyze your data and generate a clear visualization, such as a chart, alongside some insightful commentary explaining the trends it has identified. Now let's dig a little bit deeper into analyzing our data with Copilot. Suppose you want to compare the sales between different regions. You can type in a more specific command like, "Compare the sales performance of Region A versus Region B." Copilot will retrieve the relevant data, present a side-by-side comparison, and even highlight which region had better sales performance, all while saving you the time of sifting through endless rows and columns. One of the amazing features of Copilot is its ability to create pivot tables. Instead of manually creating them, just ask Copilot to create a pivot table for customer purchase data. It'll generate a pivot table for you, making it easy to segment and summarize your data without having to go through the complex steps traditionally required. But that's not all. Microsoft Copilot can also help you perform complex calculations. If you need to calculate specific metrics like growth rates or averages, you can just say, "Calculate the average sales growth for the last quarter." Copilot will instantly pull that information together, showing you not only the average, but also any relevant data trends. If you need to dig deeper, you can ask follow-up questions that lead to more detailed analysis. Let's take a moment to talk about data cleaning, which is often one of the most tedious tasks in Excel. Copilot can assist here as well. If you've imported data that has inconsistencies or errors, simply ask it to clean up the data in column C. This might involve removing duplicates, correcting formatting errors, or even filling in missing values. Copilot can pinpoint issues and make the necessary changes, freeing up your time for more critical analysis tasks. Another layer of usefulness comes from collaborative features. If you're working on a team project, you can request Copilot to share this analysis with my team. It seamlessly integrates with your Microsoft Teams or Outlook, ensuring that your insights are shared promptly without you having to switch applications. Finally, always remember to leverage the insights Copilot provides. Once your analysis is done, you can ask for recommendations based on the data. For instance, say, "What recommendations do you have based on this sales data?" It can help by suggesting marketing strategies or sales approaches tailored to your findings. So there you have it. By using Microsoft Copilot Pro for data analysis in Excel, you can navigate through complex datasets with ease while gaining valuable insights that can drive your business decisions. Embrace this technology, and it'll surely change the way you approach your data. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thanks for joining me today, and happy analyzing!